Hello guys, it's Wednesday morning here in sunny Cape Town. I actually played a bit of tennis yesterday morning and pulled something in my lower back, so I'm feeling a little bit fragile, but that's not going to stop me from doing a painting. So yesterday I watched a gorgeous video by Amanda's Designs. You guys should go check out her channel. She does some amazing paintings, and what she did was using she actually did two long canvases and tilted them slightly at an angle, and then did a slow pour onto them, and the paint sort of ran down and created a beautiful effect. I have sort of done that before on the long ones, but instead of using gravity to take it down, I've just sort of gone across it and poured with my arm moving, and what that does, it creates a sort of beautiful granite type effect. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a double cup simultaneous pour. What I've done is I've tilted my canvas slightly higher at the back here, so it's going forward, and once these cups are filled, I'm just going to move them gently like this, and hopefully the paint will slowly go down. Once it's all done, I'm going to tilt it. So I've gone for quite a soft palette today. I've got a nice light grey, then a darker grey to go along with that. I've got two blues, a sky blue and a cerulean blue, I think it is, with a little bit of white in it. And then I've made up a nice lilac. So I have put some cells or some silicone into the paints. So I'm hoping to get some cells out of this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer up the jugs, and then I'm going to get back to you. Right guys, there we go. Two layered jugs. I've layered them sort of in different colors. They're not exactly the same, in a different order I should say. And now I'm going to try and coordinate myself and just hope that this works. Let's go. Right guys, there we go. That worked pretty darn well, if I say so myself. Just going to get my lighter so I can flame. There's always one thing that I forget to bring through from the kitchen. So let's give this just a little bit of flame to pop the bubbles. I did see there are quite a few little bits in here, so hopefully I'll be able to get those out when I stretch it. Get my gloves on and we can get going. I think this is going to turn out great. Like the colors, obviously the lilac, family from the purples, so I love it, and I like these blues here as well. Let me just take these little supports out. There we go. And now we're going to get going with the tilt. Right guys, there you go. I think that was a fairly successful experiment with the twin cup pour. As expected, you get these sort of stone granite like cross sections when you do the pour like that. Let's see what sort of cells we get now that the paint's a little bit thinner. As I said, I did put a little bit of silicone into each of the paints, so we should see a little bit of action. But I really like this this color palette. These blues here and the lilac. Gone a little bit pink this side, which is actually not a bad thing. I don't mind pink, and I think it goes quite nicely with the blues as well. So yeah, very interesting result, and one that I really love. There we have it. Wednesday morning pour. Hope you enjoyed that. I enjoy doing it. I'm sure that we have a few more cells developing here as time goes by. Oh, I've just got to try and straighten up my back because every time I bend over, my back seizes up. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to be back later this week, I'm sure, to do another pour. And in the meantime, if you're still watching this video, why don't you go and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that big thumbs up like button as well. It all helps with getting our work out there for more people to see, for more people to learn from. So that's it, guys. Hope you're well, and I'll catch you at the next pour. Here's the close-up. Cheers.